He solved the mystery of the lazy faucet with a simple valve. Yes, that faucet that barely drips a drop seemed hopeless, but no. By adding this valve, the water pressure shoots up like magic. It's almost unbelievable that something so simple can turn your drip-drip faucet into a domestic waterfall. If you're tired of waiting with cups and buckets as the water slowly fills, this tip is the miraculous solution nobody told you about. Less drama, more pressure. And suddenly, you're the genius of your own home.